Welcome. In this video I will show you how to block pop-up blocker in Google Chrome browser on an Android device. First, tap on the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen, select Settings, then go to the Site Settings, select pop-ups and redirects, and switch the toggle on to allow pop-ups. And that's how you block the pop-up blocker. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.